Solve for x. 3 log of x squared plus 2 minus 6 equals 0. Let's first find any restrictions so we know whether or not to reject our final answers. Remember, you need to make sure that there's no negative or zeros inside the log, so we need x squared plus 2 to be greater than 0. But no matter what number you pick for x, if we square it, it's not negative, and then if you add 2 more, it can't be negative or 0. So we know there are no restrictions. That means any answers we have at the end, we keep. So now let's get the log by itself. I'll start this by adding 6 to both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, the 6's cancel out. We have 3 log of x squared plus 2 equals 6. I still want to get the log by itself, so now divide both sides by 3. So on the left-hand side, the 3's reduce, and we're left with log of x squared plus 2 equals 2. Now, the base of the log is not written, so the base is 10. Since x is inside the log, let's switch from log form to exponential form. So this gives us 10 to the 2 equals x squared plus 2. Now 10 to the 2, 10 times 10 is 100, equals x squared plus 2. Now we have an equation with no logs. So to solve for x, we can subtract 2 on both sides of the equation. This gives us 98 equals x squared. And then finally take the square root of both sides. So this gives us x equals plus or minus the square root of 98. Now to simplify, this 98 can be broken apart. 98 is 2 times 49. 49 is 7 times 7. So I see we've got a pair of 7s. We've got 7 squared inside the radical. So we can bring this out as plus or minus 7 radical 2. Now there were no restrictions, so we're going to keep both x equals positive 7 radical 2 and x equals negative 7 radical 2.